Releasing mega. So here going on. You very free take or down releasing mega.
No, I'm Pave Koro.
So you're going to be the first person to release.
I'll be releasing when well maybe or contributing or meaning idea to unlock the brain. Lutina manyan mago donya industry tie dana work la ko style money ni kono we ma beje kono ngo pay fans o kamo my chane tila ko the way money kapurung we go blowing keta ju the expectation to get wanya ni ngo back releasing we ma beje now new faces tie 2025 it was its own year but marane maketa programming
Tutorial in my malu putami by TV in my subscribing in my food page subscribing please subscribe so you should not miss any of our content. I'm your host Emma as always yatinium tutorial ni atike celeb ma did in the city as you see man Mr. Nyadwe eat maker Steve Jay Omar you're most welcome bro
for the training
itinen monya tutorial
happy new year ni ko
obedo ka wala by the way happy new year ni
some long time happy new year
awi you know ki bore bone chwa Nyadwe America kela Nyadwe ni wanen ko
normal
so Steve ma pe on chair ma bo cause you and get arwata kiri always but a lot of people get wine Steve mono ti kwenen after releasing a Nyadwe Steve Dolingo chilo kada
jalwe the truth is paling but ngeo fans Paul Kare kimete we go blowing boom then they realize oh yeah that war we mukene but Paul Kare one what you're releasing we only that again pege our channels wa so pege the subscribes so pege ngeo ni nyere that bolo we until we push something so big mo beyond with a lot of power kage realizing oh yeah that bolo we mukene but wait here.
So after you releasing a lot of people keep subscribing. A duration more but can you dropping a Nyadwe. Chikunge ni kara Steve Bennett.
Yes.
Jana mi go gwa
no, gonna you go team man, go chat, go subscribing, go following channels by the way.
Exactly.
So that go get updated. Yeah, because Backcraft when cock my room.
Exactly.
Be, you know, with different vibes
different energies,
different inspiration. So my peer and get updated. Yeah, they'll always have something.
So Steve, in any way challenges Mugumatika where Northern Uganda music is not growing, or it's just a mentality more just keep growing in one shallow fans or the mature way.
The problem is money. When you have money, you do anything. So China pay music is a business, so you must have money to invest.
To invest in your music.
How will you promote? How will you like create awareness? China pay. Because all these bloggers,
it's gonna be hard.
Bloggers need facilitations. Job publishers, when they also need something.
Exactly, I agree with
you. So, China, things are down. So the biggest challenge in the industry is money.
So we should not blame anyone. You fail to stream Steve Jay Omar songs. Steve doesn't have money to publish his money.
I may not fully like be down, but I may not reach level money chairman money.
Okay.
Yes.
Kuyukaro, aneno itinen monya iro expensive watch, Kumaleng 2026 uchakane ninguburi.
2026. Anyway, it's a year man Dano came with different hopes. Some of them go carry with fear. You know, elections came with its own saga. You understand? So, to me, a car makuma yacht. And then, my plans are laid. Kono do aware chingroba because kera laying plan ninkaroba po. Couple aligning
aligning
so still it will not work so when you wear a chingroba but there's a lot of things my team in this year I want to do more than 5 songs with at least good videos. Yeah, that is one of the things my team
for 2026. For 2026 they're releasing way more so far?
No,
it's not yet.
Yeah, food releasing but
your plan is still pending.
Okay, wait to studios.
Wow.
It's just a matter of waking up, having a small budget, then boom.
No,
of course, let me say next week.
So one more thing, please go and subscribe to Steve
So,
J Omar
yeah.
YouTube channel.
Yeah.
So you should not miss because around for
No,
releasing well.
next week I have a song.
Okay, you're confirmed next week you're
yeah,
going to release a
next
song.
week I have a song. Ma abe bolo wara kiloni metacon. It's just
Kemetcon.
metacon.
Dalo, wana pa marko ko be mete bango. Anyway, Steve, ingeo iloko lokum 2026 saga but me politics king on gini. A lot of people's go berka wani the way people berka releasing way because of the politics and all those stuff. Ki neno ni inena wachi mono pulling northern industry back keje because way pigi be releasing like tere chalo 2025.
No. Pulling more. 2025 it was its own year. But marane maketa programming kere. Kera jim no miaro tema kere. Only that ingeo fans o kama my chane tila kore way money kapurung way blowing keta jui their expectation to kere gewaje ningo beke releasing way mabejo. Now new faces tie mago releasing way mabejo. Let's learn to appreciate people. Lutiana manyian mago donyo industry tie dana work la kore style money ni kono way mabejo kono ngo pay way mabejo tie do.
We have good songs,
good artists mago tie matek last year. We need to appreciate them. Penike ko money kono di money madon kemiata idong. Jim mago better training work why in northern industries is making waves. No.
so that one we should stop it.
No. Last year down where we kind of link poco. You never know. Make Romo cock this year. You don't know.
So Roma are from nowhere.
Yes.
Anyway, Steve, give me a bit we are full, eh? Because we know a lot of like this word they always use it. Gatekeeper. We have gatekeeper in Uganda music industry. So near when you story money, even in northern Uganda, we have gatekeepers. Where you know there's only few 2-3 people, and maybe they get on gigs, madam. So do you think all those locality in northern Uganda we have gatekeepers in music industry?
Gatekeepers.
Mono language market you kere. We have gatekeepers.
Phrase it in a different version.
Like a category of people, they get on grouping themselves. Let's do this. We have to block other people. They should not reach up there. That is how I can describe them.
I think we are still in a growing process.
So we don't
There's
have
a lot to
more
learn,
any gatekeepers.
and we need to create more connections because Giana kengeyo kuja. Where mugarani food chinge yes. But with time I believe cut down on the right path me what which door to knock, which office to approach, and then Johnny Chano ngeo down magati on the ground. I believe
those guys they always block. That's why they use the name gatekeeper. They always block others channel to flow through. Like in Kemero connections, for example, for someone in Kampala, those guys are going to block you from that channel.
In this, music is a game, and to me, I feel everyone want to be number one. No one want to be number two. So kadong fungarman take mongada che.
We should leave it.
At the end of the day, it may look like it's selfish. Yeah. Kiro ayan. You'll feel like you should not leave.
Yeah, exactly.
That thing is it's not the same. At the end of the day, so ngarman mafudong ti dog pipe will always enjoy. Ngarman matiki I pipe will always complain. So anmereke bora noni as musicians, as people who are in the entertainment industry, let's start to work for ourselves. Like let's start to be aggressive and look for this connection by ourselves. We
should leave this mentality. You should connect me, or I should wait for someone to leave, then I follow that channel.
If they're able to connect, but if they're not able,
so you have to pave way for you.
Pave your own way. Yes, that's the only way.
I love it.
Yeah,
that's great, man. Steve, nena di mukarangich aneno post palaweche man down maditi music industry, a legend that is Pato Loverboy mo wani luwe kong good releasing where you wang before and releasing me. My know the way much alo laxi good chara good team comments. Ne and benete ko kong dan ko releasing me gyo kong. Karong and when releasing me. So here going on. In very free take ko dan ko releasing me gyo kong.
No, and pave koro.
So you're going to be the first person to release.
Ana be releasing when well maybe or contributing or meaning idea to unlock the brain. Because there also you never know. They might also be locked up. Who knows?
So you're going to be like a key to them.
An ka fudung dana fute ko ana go I will do I'll release mine. Because I'm plan apart. I'm not waiting for anybody to first drop something, then I drop. Me I drop when I want.
Wow.
Yeah. I drop when I want.
So there's no way. There's no
also
time
keep
to wait
quiet
for
when I
anyone. There's no time for waiting for anyone.
No.
I love it.
Yeah.
So Steve, good enough. A lot of vision in 2026, and I feel like next week you're dropping a new songs. I can't watch ka do lute you mamekwa man in celebrity vibes. In my food page subscribing. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel so you should not miss any of our content. Today I have my guest. This is Steve Jay Omar. Anyadwe it maker. A lot of songs. Ma dano ngayon tutual. So Steve, what kung tama miya gikibot fans kilo we luri magi following in matek tutual.
Tamo maduong ma mero watch ne pe. Ma pia tere mero foge. Mero for fans. Magi chungkedwa. They believe that we can do great things and bring good things to the face of the Luo. Mero fo hijo ma food gan nore kuma. Yeah, just start believing in us. We are great people. If you show us that you believe in us, you'll keep us going far. Kibana we ma releasing last year. Mama go down pingeoge tie big party.
Yeah, I remember that.
He's
one.
just trying to start
catching up.
Take mara you know.
What of Chance?
Chance was the other year.
2024.
Yeah. So promo po ramo to 12 but yo can food tikok actually ke dore area mo go chalo la subregion ge down there like it's a new song.
New songs, yeah.
Yeah. So let's keep subscribing. Let's keep supporting this industry. You are gonna when pebiano barage can pebiano bar luwe can it will come to
every
everybody.
community of Luo.
Yeah.
By the way, my food pay a lot. We are not team here will gini. Ko work do better another topic for a day.
What is it?
What is the meaning of one Luo?
One Luo ma what?
Ma collaborating. There's a song.
One Luo is not one Luo.
One Luo. One Luo, yeah.
Like every Luo across the world, we are one. Ani obedo. Chala, how should I bring it? Like a llama,
a body. Ma bringing Luo together.
Let me say, it's like a body. Mam mirgetie me wekoluo berachel across Africa.
In terms of music or
in craft,
in craft, yeah.
Yeah,
Let's
creative
say like
arts, arts, fashion, everything.
But what happened? Because after releasing one song,
nothing happened.
So you guys are still.
We are in the growing process. We are working in silence.
I love that. Let's make that one to another topic of it because I want us to go deep. That in food we episodes we are going to dig deep. What is the meaning of that things? What is their visions?
Yeah.
And yabu birium Kenyan one no CEO and all those stuffs to break it down.
Yeah.
And for my to Steve Jay Omar for your time and maybe Tammy Bay TV you make about celebrity vibes. Aberuki celeb madate man in Steve Jay Omar anyadwe hit maker and in my food page subscribing. Please subscribe so you should not miss any of our content. Please go and subscribe to Steve Jay Omar YouTube channel, Twitter, everywhere in all social media handles. So we are kawar we manyen. When you watch a bit the new song is coming. So subscribe.